Okay, it says these are the dusting powders. As you can see why I bought the fancy puffs. So again, I came across this company. Somebody posted, did I even say hello to y'all? Hey y'all, my name is Lashawnterry. Welcome to the Rich Gang. Subscribe, click that notification bell, and look through my playlist to see what other things we share in common. This is my third video, so excuse my rudeness. But now I can say I came across this company because a young lady um, was showing off her fragrance for the day, and one of them was, I believe, a marshmallow powder. And I was like, ooh, where'd she get that from? So I looked up the company and saw that she had her own website. I think she may be a TikTok shop, but she also have an Etsy store. So I went on to Etsy to I bought two of each because these are for not only myself, but I bought some for my girls. So the first one we're going to open is the Vanilla Pineapple Dream, just because it's in my hand. She didn't seal this one, but the rest of them look like they were sealed. Oh man, this smells good. It smells just like a pineapple, like a pina colada. Yeah, this smells good. And how she put it on, she even have videos on YouTube, and she shows you how she puts it on. And normally she says that she sells those puffs. And I asked her when will the marshmallow and the puff be back in stock, and she said that Friday. But I didn't see anything on Friday. I didn't see a puff or the marshmallow powder. But she shows you how to put it on in her videos and everything. So this is the Vanilla Pineapple Dream. It smells just like a pina colada. It smells very good. I hope the scent do come off on the body as well. The next one we're going to do is Sugared Vanilla Bliss. And these are all up here. Again, I have bought two of each, so I'm just opening up the ones that I'll be for myself. She said this is a creamy vanilla. She also puts on the back of them, as you can see, like, oh, it blew up. So y'all can see, and I can see too without straining my eyes, what the notes are on here. So she actually puts somehow these fragrances, the fragrance perfume inside of the powder, and she also explains to you on her YouTube videos what's the difference between perfume dusting powders and this a regular powder. So that's what she tells you. And this is a cornstarch base, organic cornstarch fragrance blend. So I do smell the vanilla. What else is in here? She got vanilla, white orchid, sparkling sugar. It smells like fresh jasmine and a creamy sandalwood. It smells like it's kind of like a floral. You're getting very floral in this one. I might give that one away. I'm not too fond of it. The next one is the cotton candy. Yeah, I know I love anything cotton candy. And this one is sweet candy blended with notes of raspberry, lemon, wild berry, nectar, and candied sugar. Sweet, sugary, sticky, and powdery. And this is the cotton candy one right here. This is what it looks like. Yep. She is very berry heavy on this one. You can smell the lemon, the berries. It smells very good. Very good. It looks like it's more of a stronger berry than you would get in a perfume or oil. With a perfume or oil, sometimes depending on what they use, if they just use a strawberry vanilla or if they use mixed berries. But you can smell like the lemon in this, in the wild berries. You can smell the wild berries very much so in this powder. Oh, I can't wait to use these. Yeah, that smells nice. It's giving more of a wild berry than a true cotton candy. And then the next one is this one right here. That is a fruit slices. And she didn't put any label on this one to see what was in fruit slices. So I'm thinking all of the fruits that you see right there. I don't know. I'm getting fruit, but I'm getting something else in this. It's an undertone. It's some type of an undertone that I'm getting. Let's see if I can bring it up with this in this fruit slices. Okay, so these are $33 each. And she just said fruit slices, perfume, dusting powder is absolutely fruity. This combination of awesome apples, perfect plums, pears, and peaches, and a supernatural nectarines, a fruit basket of fresh and sparkling scents. So those are the notes that is in the fruit slices. Apples, plums, pears, peaches, and nectarines. I'm getting, you can kind of smell the nectarine, the orange scent. Orange can kind of, and then when it comes to fragrances, they have so many different renditions of a certain fragrance. So not all of them are the same, but you definitely getting that citrus. And that's probably what I'm smelling in the background, is that strong citrus. But they all smell good, very heavily scented. I wonder how it stays on the body. Again, go watch her YouTube video. She is on Etsy. She explains everything. She has a few videos explaining her her powders, how you use it, and how she makes it, and how she does her fragrances, and what's the difference between what you see with other powders and her powders. I believe her powders, she uses it for just as dusting powders. It's not like, you know, we used to go buy Johnson's baby powder and you just start dumping it everywhere. I don't think that's what she intended it for, but you can use it how you want to. But when she pulled out her little fluffy dusting puffs, and how she show you how to put it on, you putting it all in your hot spots, like behind your knees, in the crooks of your arms, behind your post points. That's how she used it. But again, you can use it anywhere, however you want. I would probably try some of them, like, you know, on my post points, but they'll be going under my boobs for the most part, because I do use I use bentonite clay under my boobs because it helps absorb the sweat and stuff. And then I put another powder for the scent and also under my boobs as well. So that's what I'll be doing with these powders. And I may try the little post point dusting as well. So y'all have a great weekend. I'm going to try to put these up. Today is the 13th of December, so I'm going to put these up for Sunday the 14th, so y'all can maybe have a chance if y'all interested in getting some of these things, you know, if you want to give them as gifts for your ladies, for your girls, and for yourself. You'll have enough time to get them in probably before Christmas. So that's all I got for y'all. I'm going to go relax because I'm sleepy, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Peace.